Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a fact page using Claude AI for your business. If you're using Claude AI and you want to create a fact page for your business, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, here go to your profile, go to Claude AI and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, once you are here on this screen, the very first thing I recommend you have to collect all the requirements and all the basic details about your business. And once you have done, I have a simple prompt you can easily use for creating a fact page. So you can see from the following customer messages, extract the most common and important questions, group similar questions together and remove duplicates. Output has a clean list of facts. So once I've entered this prompt, you just have to enter the following customer message or some requirements for this prompt, the basic details. And once you have done, just enter this prompt at the top and then enter your requirement or details. Then click on the submit option and it will completely create a fact page for you. If you want to create a fact website, so you can also do that using Cloud AI. So in this way, you can easily create a fact page using Claude AI for your business. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.